Hello, and thank you for watching. My name is Dallas Hill with Eagle Point Realty. You're looking at 40 acres of ranch land accustomed to seeing elk, deer, and moose trafficking big game migration routes on the edge of the Yellowstone caldera ecosystem. This remote property provides elevated vistas with wide panoramic views of the Snake River Valley and Teton mountain range. Located just 4 miles south of Targhee National Forest, 15 miles north of St. Anthony, and 11 miles west of Ashton, it's 7.5 miles from both the Ora Bridge and Vernon Bridge boat ramps, giving you access to world-renowned trout fishing on the Henry's Fork of the Snake River. This large and spacious parcel is the perfect setting for recreational activities, such as horseback riding, four-wheeling, camping, and snowmobiling. The property has an open skyline where you can enjoy breathtaking sunrises and sunsets that never get old. It also possesses several gullies for rain and snow runoff that create numerous scenic settings for off-grid living, a private campsite, and horse or cattle grazing. You can also add a 40-acre tract directly north if you're looking to expand and acquire additional acres. This location does not have year-round access, electricity, irrigation, or well water. So if you're ready for a true Western homesteading experience, this listing offers you the space and freedom to enjoy Idaho's untouched outdoors in solitude. Please reach out to me today to obtain additional information, schedule a walk of the property, or to submit your offer. I'm Dallas Hill with Eagle Point Realty. Thank you for watching and have a great day.